on the Commodore key.
Okay.
And turn the power on. There may be a command that does that. That's a standard Commodore screen that you'll always get, except normally it's colored. And then I can load a game. So we're going to put the floppy in. I may have to do comma 1, maybe not. Okay. So this will demonstrate that the floppy is working. And let's do like Pac-Man. So I hit I. It's going to load Pac-Man. It'll take a second or two. And we should have sound too. We'll have sound. Press F1. There's your Pac-Man. Well, you need a joystick. I can put a joystick on there, but I don't think it may use some of these other keys here.
Can you turn it off? Turn it off and then boot it into the 65 mode?
You turn it off and come back, it'll go to 65.
Alright, yeah.
Then you do this, come back to 65 mode. So that's the difference, what they look like. See, it says C65 up here now.
Yeah.
See, development system. See, it's still prototype.